Yo, hello everyone, welcome back. It's Meteorologist Blue here, and today I'm just here to update you guys about this seems to be winter storm warning for half of America, and then maybe up around Canada too. So as we're looking at the radar here, there's not much activity going on. There's not that much activity going on today at the time I'm recording this, because today is the 7th, 2024, June, yeah. Mostly up here around Boston, up here in these states. Over here in Boston and over here, it feels like they're getting the most. But I'm right here, Colorado, New Mexico, Phoenix, Utah, Wyoming, and Nebraska, maybe even Kansas. And yeah, definitely Nevada too. And Orlando. If you look here, this is a pretty big, fortunately I can't make it bigger. Maybe I can open it in a new tab. Okay, so I can't open it any bigger, but that's okay. So as we're looking here, warning state, yeah, Alaska and all these other, yeah. So it looks like here that a bit of Colorado, Texas, and a bit of so that would be a blizzard warning. So it's gonna be in like this edge here. Yeah, you can see it even better. You can see it better here. So they are blizzard warning. Colorado Springs. In this area. I do suspect. Let's see here. This is over by Larimer. This road right over here, so, and then also, and then you also have a bit of Texas right here, a bit of Texas, and then you, of course, you do have your, winter storm warning out for Nebraska, and a lot of these places up here, and then let's see what's going on in Phoenix, Arizona, and down to hard freeze warning. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right or said it right. But Dallas is under a wind advisory, so it's going to be very windy in Dallas and Oklahoma City, yeah. And these places, Mississippi, and these places are mostly Alabama. It's mainly going to be very windy over here, and then over by Florida, Gale watch. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or reading it right, because I thought the coast. So yeah, and then also, so pretty much, this is still gonna be a blizzard warning, and then of course for in Denver, it's just a winter weather advisory. But I kind of once you get into like Aurora, and this area becomes a thing. Once you kind of come into Aurora, it's a winter storm warning, and then of course over here down by, I would say, Pueblo's only under a winter storm warning, Colorado Springs, but of course this big place here, and then even if we do get the radar on, I'm guessing that, because when I look at the radar, let's pull up another one. Let's pull up another radar, just so there's, if you really look at it, there's not much going on over here. But if you look up here, over here by Boston, like I said earlier in the video, there's a lot of stuff going on here, which is mainly maybe even rain and snow too. And also, big shout out to Mr. Storm. I'll put a description to his channel for keep also doing some of these videos about storms too. And then, of course, just in the bit of Gulf of Mexico, you have a little bit of stuff going on there and everything. I do expect, let's go back here. Definitely if you're on what highway is that? Definitely on I-70. once it cuts into, where is this? Kansas. I-70 going into Kansas, like in this drop. Try and avoid I-70 and try to take another route. And I'll keep you guys all updated on this. And then of course it just goes through. It goes this over here, and then also like bits, but definitely in this area of Colorado and bits of Kansas and Texas. I would try and maybe avoid those places for now until there's more updates from the National Weather Service, or if you do get any other advisories. I know if you do own like Alexa, like your home device, that you will be able to you can just ask them. You can ask Alexa, just say, Alexa, give me National Weather Service a warning. I don't know how I said it, but you probably can go on YouTube and find how to do that, like I did for mine. So if you guys have any other questions, hopefully there'll be comments. I don't know. There might be comments, they might not. But if there is any questions about the storm, I'll probably be posting a video up tomorrow. And also, we're trying to get to 400 subscribers, so it's that. And also, we'll have more weather updates. Yeah, but definitely here in this place. What was I gonna say? Oh, so yeah, Texas for sure. Just trying to get like a better. So Austin, Dallas. I think Dallas is also under. I would say yeah, Dallas too, but isn't Dallas up there? Alaska, I don't think there's much going on. Probably a bit of south Texas and southwest. Louisiana is under either this. Not 100% sure. Yeah, and then also you can also go to the National Weather Service website, or you can just type in NWS and then search, and then you can also look at 7-day forecast and all the other stuff too. But definitely right here, Houston, over by Houston in Texas, right? I'll look at that. There's 5 alerts for them. Yeah, I was right. Okay. So I would just say definitely. I'll probably be monitoring Wyoming and these big places by tomorrow, and then also, yeah, like I said, I'll have more updated and any winter storm watch. But definitely, this blizzard warning here, or if it's a bad enough storm that I think it might be, or it may not. It might not be a big of a storm that I'm thinking it is. Also that I feel like, because it's kind of coming from up here. Let me see. Like, there's not, like, when you just look at the normal radar, there's not much activity going on. Even though Mr. Storm's video that he posted was 2 days ago. I'm posting this on the 7th. He posted his on the 5th. So his radar did change if you go watch that, like I was today. But definitely over in these places, this is kind of a big area. But definitely, I'm guessing by tomorrow that maybe we'll have more up on the radar. But today it's just showing me today's. But also I can look at the 7-day forecast. I'm gonna look at the 7-day forecast for Colorado because I'm not 100% sure that blizzard warning. I'm not 100% sure on that blizzard warning. So, Denver, Colorado. Okay. Go radar. So yeah, definitely this. Let's look at this maybe. This takes me to the same thing. Yeah, but I don't think there's much else besides this area. And then of course you got some stuff going on. Oh gosh, I did not even look. A storm warning. Yeah. So also, since Alaska is a part of the United States, I'll be also checking. What's this? There's no alert there, but yeah, if I pause it. How's that radar? See, nothing. Yeah, wind advisory. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys all. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you guys more updated about this big snowstorm. I'll keep you guys updated on this snowstorm, and see you guys tomorrow in the next one about this. Thank you for watching. Let's try to get 400 subscribers. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Meteorologist Blue signing off.